stop guessing what to post on YouTube. Start copying what's about to blow up. In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to get all of the latest video ideas from your favorite creators and rank them by the number of views. So in the next 2 minutes, you'll see a full Google Sheet populated with the title, description, thumbnails, number of views, and publish date. I'll build it live for you using n8n and I'll walk you through step by step. So if you're a content creator, this automation is going to save you hours each week and it'll stop you from mindlessly scrolling through YouTube to find your next video idea. So let's get into it. So here's our n8n workflow. We've got 5 main nodes. One is a scheduled trigger, one is to get the channel IDs, one is to get a list of videos, the next one's to get the video details such as their views, and the final thing is to update our Google Sheet. So I'll just quickly show you what our Google Sheet looks like. We can see here that I've got a channels tab, which has the name of the YouTube creator plus their channel ID. We get the channel ID by viewing the page source and then copying and pasting into this spreadsheet. On the next tab, we've got the scrape videos, and this is where I'll store the data of the latest videos. So their title, thumbnail, description, view count, like count, and so forth. So let's see it in action. So I'll just execute this workflow and we can see it's pulling all of the data. It's gotten all the channel IDs and it's gotten all of the latest videos from those creators. Now it's getting all of the individual video details, and we can see we have 45 of them, and it's gone ahead and updated our spreadsheet. So if we go back to our YouTube video tab, we can see now that my scraped videos tab has been populated with all of the information from our favorite creators. And sometimes it just takes a little while for the thumbnails to load. What we can see here on column D is we've got the view count. So I've color coded it based upon the actual number of the view counts. So anything less than 3,000 is red, anything above 3,000 is green. When I'm doing my video research, I can just quickly scroll through this list here and it's going to be updated once per day. And I can quickly see any video that has above 3,000 views and use that as my inspiration for my next video. So let's get to the build. So the very first thing that we want to do is to add a scheduled trigger. You can see here that I've set it up to run once per day because we really don't care if the creators upload multiple videos. We don't need that information right away. It's whenever we check the spreadsheet, that's when we need the information updated. So the next node is the get channels ID, and you'll see here that I've connected it to my Google Sheets account. And I'm just getting the rows from my YouTube videos channels tab. And you can see here, all I've really got is the name of the creator, the channel ID, the subscribers, and URL. You don't need the subscribers or the URL. This is just for my personal usage. What we really need is the channel ID. So I'll quickly show you how to get that. You go to the YouTube creators page. What you want to do is right click, view page source, Control F, and then search for channel IDs. Copy this here and paste it back into the spreadsheet. The channel ID is what's going to be read from the n8n workflow, so it's the most important thing to get correct. So you can see here behind me, if I just take this to the left, what we've got here is I've got all of the output from the Google Sheet, and we've got the row number, the name, channel ID, and subscribers and URL. In the next node, I want you to add the get all YouTube video node, and then connect it to your YouTube credentials. Now, in order to do this, you'll have to have a Google Cloud platform and you'll need to have enabled the YouTube Data API. I'll quickly show you how to do that. So we go into our API and services. We click on the plus enable APIs and services, then search for YouTube. And the one you want is the YouTube Data API version 3. So just make sure that you click enable here and then you have the green tick with the API enabled. Now, once you have the API enabled, you'll be able to set up your credential to connect to the n8n YouTube node. So what we'll do here is we'll set the resource to video. The operation is to get many. We want to limit to 5. And then for your filters, make sure that you set JSON.ChannelID. Now this will go through the list of channel IDs from the Google Sheet one at a time to get the last 5 videos. And behind me, you can see all of the different outputs that we've gotten. So if we scroll to the right, you'll see the pieces of data that we have access to. We have the title, description, we have the thumbnail, we have the channel title. So after we've got all of the video IDs, we're going to use get a video node. Again, you'll need to use your YouTube credential. This time the resource will be video, operation get, and we want to pass through the video ID. So you'll be able to see from the previous node, get many videos, we have access to 45 video IDs. So set the video ID to json.id.videoid. And we'll just have a look at the data on the right hand side. So you can see here, We've got the title, we've got the description, we've got the view count, like count, comment counts, we've got the publishing date, and we've got a few more details that you might find interesting. The final step is to publish this data to our Google spreadsheet. So I've used the append or update node, and I'll just double click that. Use your Google Sheets credentials, and then we want to make sure the operation is set to append or update row. Select the spreadsheet that you've created, and then select the sheet where you're going to keep all of the data. What we want to do is to make sure the column to match on is the ID. This will be the video ID that we've retrieved from the previous node. And then we're going to map the data. So title to title, thumbnail, description, view count, like count, comment count, publish stat, tags, as well as the channel ID. And there you have it. There's a simple automation to get the latest videos from your favorite YouTube creators, and you'll be able to see which of these videos are performing the best so that you can jump on the latest trends and use it as inspiration to create your own YouTube videos. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want the full automation, don't forget to join my automation vault. The link's in my bio.